Hi, welcome to Welltech Rangarajan Dr. Sagundala R&D Institute of Science and Technology. This is Sasikar, Assistant Professor from Department of ECE. I am presenting this video for Induction Cum Acquaintance Program 2021, that is CDIO Project at Home. The title of the project is Fire Alarm. The theme is Public Safety. First we can see what is the need of this project. The main objective of this project is ensuring the safety of the people. Since we know that the dangerousness will come in all directions, one of such direction is through the fire accident. So it is necessary to have a system such that one can recognize and prevent those fire accidents. In this video we are going to see a simple system that will recognize the fire accident. First we will see the components required for making this project. We need a photodiode. This is the photodiode, the physical structure of the photodiode, and we need a BC547 transistor. It's an NPN transistor. This is the physical structure of BC547 transistor, and a buzzer. This is the buzzer, and we need a 9-volt battery. So these are all the components required for developing our project. Next we can see the block diagram of this system, the fire alarm system. We can place a photodiode here, then the BC547, then the buzzer and the battery here. Now we can go for making the internal connections among these components. So the positive terminal of the photodiode is connected to the base of the BC547 transistor, and the collector of BC547 transistor is connected to the negative of the buzzer, and the positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to the positive terminal of the 9-volt battery, and moreover the negative terminal of the photodiode is connected to either positive terminal of the battery or positive terminal of the buzzer. Both are equivalent. And finally you can connect the emitter terminal of BC547 transistor to negative terminal of the battery. So this completes the internal connection of the components of this project. The working of this project in its simplest way, we can say, when fire catches, then this will be identified or recognized by the photodiode, and the buzzer makes a sound to alert the people to indicate that a fire has been catched. So the buzzer will make an alarm sound when a fire catches. So this is the working principle of this block diagram. Now we can move to the construction part and real-time demonstration part of this project. See, as we have seen in the block diagram of fire alarm system, these four are the components required for developing the system. The first one is the photodiode. The terminals are anode and cathode. The longer lead is anode terminal, the shorter one is the cathode terminal, and this is BC547 transistor. The terminals are emitter, base, collector. Okay, I am reading it from the right, that is emitter, base and collector. How to identify the terminals of the BC547 transistor? In the sense, you can keep the transistor such that the flat surface is facing the top and the curved surface is facing the bottom. Then we can go for reading the terminals from right. Okay, that is emitter, base and collector. Now this is the buzzer. Here the terminals are positive and negative. Here how can we identify the positive and negative? In the sense, same as that of the photodiode, that is the longer terminal is positive terminal and the smaller or the shorter one is the negative terminal. And coming to the 9-volt battery, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. Always you can refer the cap of this 9-volt battery for positive terminal and negative terminal. Now we can move on to the connection. Now the connections are given as per the circuit diagram or block diagram. We can see the working of the system. Now I am going to bring a fire source very close to this photodiode. So when I am bringing the fire source very close to the photodiode, this is identified by the photodiode, and the buzzer is making sound to indicate that the existence of the fire. Thank you.